Hello, welcome to our Heritage Works. Today, we're going to make a fall holiday punch. The ingredients for this punch is apple cider, cranberry juice, orange juice, lemon juice, sugar, whole allspice, whole cloves, and cinnamon sticks. Today, we're going to make this in a slow cooker, but it could easily be done in a percolator as well. If you are going to do a percolator, then you will want to combine the liquid ingredients in the percolator, add the spices and sugar to the basket, and run it for a cycle. For the slow cooker method, like we're doing, you're going to mix the sugar and the liquid ingredients and make sure to stir until the sugar has been dissolved. Then you're going to make a bouquet garni of the spices and place that into the slow cooker. At that point, you're going to turn it on high until it is hot all the way through. The slow cooker method is really nice for like an office party because you can pre-mix all the sugar and the wet ingredients together and then take it in and set it up in the morning and it's ready for your lunchtime party. This hot punch is perfect for all your fall parties and goes well clear up through the New Year's with just about every festival that you might have. So try it out. You can hit the pause button if you want to see the full recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment.